yeah, I've got to get onto your course.
I
But
agree.
in the meantime, I'm going to go back to gold. And yeah, I had a nice little short on gold. Uh, thank you, Helen. Yeah, and we've got this huge triangle, and I hate triangles. That comes from being taught by Julian, I think. But yeah, we had some. We had a nice little drop, and where the lower line, that lower horizontal, is sitting at the moment, we're looking at it's bouncing off the 100-day moving average on a daily chart, and it's sitting right on your monthly support one, S1. That's where it is. It went down. But what's really interesting, and if you go to a 4-hourly chart,
is that simple? Is that simple or exponential for you, Angel?
I only do 200 simple moving average, so it'd be 100 exponential. Sorry, thank you. Yep, cool. So it's bounced, yeah, it's bounced off that 100-day moving average. And let me assure you that line that Paul has got is your S1 on your monthly, absolutely perfectly in place. So what we've got there is we've had that break of that triangle, and it's not looking up, is it? It's looking pretty ordinary. But if we go to a 4-hourly chart, Paul, what we had was we had this massive move down Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday, look at that, down it went. This was me getting back into the market, actually, after a couple of weeks off with moving house and no internet and all the rest of it. And I got out at 1862, and I was looking for another breakdown lower, the next leg down, and I just didn't get it. I just got rubbish. Thursdays are renowned for being a bit of a sell-off day, and Fridays you often see the market rally coming into the weekend. People squaring off, it's looking good. We saw neither Thursday and Friday, and we just had basically, nothing. We didn't even have as much movement you had more movement in silver than you did in gold. How this continues for this next week, so we're coming into non-farm payroll on Friday, we're coming into more heated debate on elections, the US elections. We've got, it mightn't be as widely known, but let me tell you, China is really having a very terse tete-a-tete with Australia at the moment over minerals and a few other political debates. Australia is possibly punching above its weight with China and trying to hold China accountable to what they knew about coronavirus and how this pandemic started. So there's a lot politically going on between China and Australia is really, it's lashing out, but it's getting a lot of backing as well. So how that is impacting the whole scenario economically, we've just got a lot going on in Brexit. We've got the US elections, we've got what's going on in Europe, and possibly a second wave. And the second wave is one of the things that's really dogged oil going any higher as well, is just, oil as a separate issue, but gold, look at it, it's just gone nowhere. And you would think after that massive sell-off, what you normally see after a massive sell-off is people jumping in and buying it and pushing prices up again. Didn't see it. It's just gone sideways again. So for me, gold going forward this week, I'm waiting. I'm on the sidelines. I am looking for it to possibly drop to another level, 1815, which is the level that it really took off on. Remember when Paul actually gave us, yeah, there we go. So you gave us this beautiful price when we dropped down to 4-hourly, and people said, where did we go in? And Paul even gave us the 1805 number, which if you'd gone in on 1805, you would have made an absolute killing on it. So 1815 is that level where it breaks that last box before it took a major rally. If it breaks below where we are and everything else keeps going the way it's going downwards, I'm looking for, yeah, if you see gold drop, take some money at 18.15 is my recommendation. I think that's a nice safe area to take money at. Oil
Sounds good,
is
Ainsley.
still bearish. I'm bearish on oil. Yeah.
So we're bearish oil, we're bearish gold. I think we, you know, I don't like the show, but it's just a bit of and the same as last week, right? It's a bit of a wait and see start of the week, right? We just need to see some direction, right? It's a lot of stuff that stop on really good resistance.
Yeah, like SPH said, you know, I'm looking for something to go with, and it's just really tough. And if that's the case, there's probably more an indicator that there's a lot going on. A lot of spinning wheels. We're coming into the end of the month. People are squaring up positions. You know, we're looking at all those kind of things, and you just need to be really careful, because not only have you got the end of the week, end of the month, you're going straight into non-farm payrolls, and we're not that far out from the US election, which will just, it's a game changer. So anything that you look at, that you see, go carefully, tight stops.
Look,
and just see how you go.
Thank you very much, Ainslie. Much